Well, I think it's in the past. I think we've seen exits that have happened too early, and it's these have been these sort of type of bets in a sense have been seen as that, and the bet when the bet goes in, you take the money off the table and you make a new bet, and what you should actually do is actually. You said this is the best bet that I have, and I will bet even more on this company rather than trying to find a new one. But there has been a tendency, and I'm guilty of it myself, to say, well, this is cool. We did it. They're through the valley of death, and they're expanding internationally, and they found a good home, and okay, we can pat ourselves on the back. But I think now the reasoning is more, okay, let's see if we can scale something globally. Still, I mean, when the offer on Opera came and we were one of the largest shareholders, we did say, okay, yeah, sure. So I'm a little bit guilty there, but we didn't have, I'm talking about the off-market or the unlisted ones, which I think have should have a better prospect for scaling with the same investors or with new investors coming along. Once you're on the stock exchange in Oslo, it becomes a very illiquid type of game, unfortunately. So when people get a chance to take an exit, they take it. So the mindset is that once you're on the stock exchange, you should actually be able to make your stocks liquid, which is not always the case. So probably in some cases, you might as well, we should have just kept them outside and try to scale them there. So yes, I think we're guilty of some too early exits, but I think at least the capital is there now and the will is there to try to do some international, to make some global plays, call them unicorns, whatever you want.
Can we rebuild what is lost with Tandberg, Fast, possibly with Opera?
I think there's some companies in the room actually. Yes. Yeah. I mean, on the way. I mean, as we see, the path from nowhere, from under the radar to call it a unicorn is so rapid that I mean, I have no way of noticing them or seeing them. And maybe some of you have. Obviously, that's your job in some cases. But to say that they're not there and that the opportunities are gone or lost is I don't think that's the case. And there will be a big shift of talent potential now that the oil and gas are looking for more cost efficiency than they are looking for huge inventions.